Good morning. What's up? It's your boy. It's the boy. It's that boy named Dyna. Today is a special day. 10 years ago, a princess was born. Birthday shout out to our niece, Dyna Afusina Talolo. She turns 10 today, so I'm starting my job early at the other job number 2. Start early today so I could attend this birthday party first. So yeah, I will be there, babes. Okay, so yeah, today should be a very eventful day.
I'll wake up around 10 or 11 o'clock in the morning.
So yeah, stay tuned. Bye. Hey. Yo, what's up? We're here at the bowling alley for Dyna's birthday party. Yeah, so we're running a little late. It started at 8:30, and they said if we're not here, they're gonna give our spots away. So that's why we rushed here, and it is like time to get in there. No, just one. It was just $1. All right, we're here at the bowling alley. Come on, baby. At? Where's she at? Where's she at? Where's the birthday girl? Where's the birthday girl? She's not here yet. Birthday girl's not here yet. Dyna. I thought it's $2 for $1. It's not. All right, we pulled up. Got some food ready.
I didn't know you rented out the place, girl. No, we didn't. Oh, you can. I know we were actually.
Got some food right here. And the birthday girl ain't even here yet. Yeah, let's go. Yee-yee. Roxbury stepped their game up, man. Hey, they got a whole new. What in the world? What in the Oompa Loompa world is going on? What up, boys? Hey, what's up?
What's going on? It's your boy D-Lo.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, who are you? Yeah. If this girl don't hurry up, we about to tap in right now. She need to hurry up. Hello. So, Dyna does not know, but her parents got her a GoPro as well. So we're gonna be team GoPro. Hey, let's get it. Hey. So yeah, let's get it. See what's up? Hey, what's up? My name is Oompa Loompa. My MJ. Hi, my James. Hi, my boy. Oh. So her father ruined the moment. What did you get? GoPro Black. Let's go. She was supposed to get it caught on the camera, supposed to get the reaction, but no. Her dad ruined it. Thanks a lot, bro. Happy birthday, baby. Gianni! Happy birthday! Sorry, sister. Sister's birthday lands on the leap year, so her birthday's today too. Yeah. The little mic, let's go. Hey, okay. Birthday girl, hey baby, happy birthday.
So press the top on it.
Yeah, we go Pro 7 out here, you know what I mean? Yay! Hers is better than mine though. That is so dope. I like your microphone.
Yeah, and then when you want to stop
What up, Oof? Hi, godson. Okay. Okay, I see your ponytail. I see your ponytail. Who's saying you get the ponytail? Yo, we out here. GoPro 7s. Let's get it. Hey. Oh my God. I want this. I want to get that. I'm gonna go find me the mic now. I'm so jealous right now. Hey, we get the mukbang right here. Hey, it's getting. Waterproof. Hey, waterproof. Hey. Yo, so the family's here. We out here celebrating baby girl's birthday. Hey, she over here stunting on me right now with her GoPro with the microphone. I love it. It looks so dope. Yeah.
Thank y'all for coming out. Help us celebrate Diva's birthday.
Woo! Turn up for the 10, turn up for the 10. And happy in-between birthday, girl. Happy in-between birthday, Lena. So, how does it feel to be 10, girl? How does it feel to be 10?
Good.
Okay. Show these people your hair. Where did you get your hair done? No clue. All right. Come on, big niggas over here getting down with the get down. Yeah. And then we got the little moins over here with pretty Priya. Hi, baby, say hi. Okay, thanks a lot. Crickets. Yo. Hey, somebody join these niggas. Join these guys before they eat all this food. Hi, Graceland. Hi, baby girl. She's like, okay, bye. Lincoln. Lincoln. Hi, my Jay. Hi, Lovey. Hi, Pookie. Hey. Hi, Mommy. Yo. Hi, Percy. So what's up, everybody? Hey, the food looks bomb. We about to get down on some bowling, though. Let me Shane. Who wants this word? You want this word? Bowling? You don't want it. All right, this is team pool table. Because we're with the birthday girl, so we finna get down. We just call this our little impromptu mukbang. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna get this eat on. Let's get it! Welcome to my ASMR. It's like, yeah, I'm about to get this rice now. I know it's a lot. This chicken wing and the mandu. Yeah, I had some ranch on that chicken because it's hella bomb. Roxbury's known for their chicken wings. But yeah, we're just killing time before we actually go play. So yeah. Oh, and by the way, you guys get to meet my godson. Yo, what's up? This right here is my godson, my boy Gavin. Hey, Gavin, say what's up, boy. Say what's up. He's kind of quiet. He doesn't say much. But yeah, this is Gavin. Gavin, how old are you? 3? How old are you, Gavin?
3, 2, 1.
Sorry, I forgot how old he is. Wait, how old are you? 4? You're gonna be 4 this year, huh? His hair. This is like Miles' twin. But yeah, making his first appearance on the YouTube channel. My boy, Gavin. Say hi, boy. Say hi. Yo, the aftermath still looks like there's a lot there. Leave it to this nigga to be the last one on the table. Bruh. Oh my god. Let me tap into your drink though.
Had a long day.
Yummy. Yo, our kids are out here celebrating Dyna. How do you what?
Do you get physical tickets or it's on the card?
Load it to the card.
So how
You gotta go to the prize room and then we give them. What is it? Did you win?
I mean, yeah.
Okay.
Easy money.
How do you win?
You just beat the game, and then
Hi, my buddy. Hi, Jody. Good. Go, would you? Yeah. Yeah, so we about to sing happy birthday. What's up? Yeah. Yeah. No. Go, mama. Here. All right. Hey, move.
I'm coming back, baby.
Yeah.
Why is it melting?
It's a candle. It's what it does, boy.
Can you guys not breathe?
Can you guys move back?
Before I burn you guys' eyebrows.
Child abuse. No children are harmed in the making of this video.
There you go.
Oh, and chill. Here. You know, I used to smoke back in the day. So. All right. Oh, you're wet. Yeah, the thing is burning. So you just grab the red and you put the heat like that.
Thank
Okay?
you. I'm not a... Ready, set, go.
Happy birthday to around, you guys. Yo, what's up? So we're about to start bowling. Play for a little money with the bros and sisters. Yeah. 300. We're about to get it. So yeah, he. Over and we're saying goodbye to the birthday girl. Diva! Happy birthday, babe.
Thank you.
We'll catch you on another video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hey! So what's your what's your channel gonna be? You have a channel?
Comment down below.
Yeah! Comment down below what her channel should be. Yo, so funny story. We've already established a name as of yesterday. It's gonna be DVlogs. Okay. What her channel needs to be. Love you. Okay. Alright, see you on the next video. Yo, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. But until the next video. Bye.